Greetings everyone and welcome back to the channel, and in today's video we are likely to see and learn how to create reports in MS Access. Yes, given this data in the table, okay, we have the student names, the age, the school fees, the class, the parents' names, and then the location. Yes, how can we use this given data in the table to create a particular report? Yes, simply we shall come under this ribbon of the create tab. Okay, we come and check out under the reports. We have the report. We got the report design, the blank report, the labels, and then the report wizard. Yes, simply we shall come and use the report wizard. Under this menu, yes, we are creating our table using the table given to us as the fees defaulters. We are going to use all the fields given to us, which is the student name, the age, the fees balances, the class, the parent names, and then you talk about the location. Yes, we shall have to say next. Yes, everything is there. We say next. In ascending, okay, next. We shall use the tabular, okay. Now we have very few fields. You can either change to the landscape. You shall see that if at all the list does not bring it out, okay, and then it will be justified, okay. Then we say next. Then we shall give it a name up here, okay. This is the fees defaulters report, okay. This is the fees defaulters report, and it is going to be just modified, okay. Yes, we say finish, okay. Why have I selected this modifier? So that we can go ahead and try to make some light editing up here, okay. Now for example, we may have a better heading here, okay. Simply can delete up this, okay. We come and choose this label here, capital A and small a, and then we try to draft it here, okay. And here we shall compute in a report, okay, a report of fees defaulters, right? Okay, these are fees defaulters, okay. Yes, you can simply go ahead to bold up this, okay. You can bold up this everything here, okay. We come to make some few editings, okay. Yes, we come to make some few editings. You shall add the logo, the date and time, everything, okay. Yes, we shall add everything and ensure that it really aligns with what we want. Yes, we shall come and give it a color here. We may give it that color, okay. We bold it. We may increase its size to around 16. I think it is very bit visible, okay. We can give it 20. Yeah, 20 is okay. Try to merge up with this, okay. Very good. Yes, and still we can align it, center align it, okay. We can go ahead and give it a background color, okay. Yes, you may give it a background color if necessary. Yes, and we may keep this white. Very good. Go along with the editing, the names, okay. The names. We can try to edit up with the age here. Try to edit up with the age. Okay. This is the age. We have the class. Try to add up this is the fees balance, okay. Try to push up this and the name itself, okay. Trying to edit up this. We push the edge as well slightly so that the fees balance can still come up to that level, okay. And we're doing all this in the view. We align this, we push this edge to that level. You try to reduce up this class there, and you try to increase the size of this onto that level. Okay, the parent name and the location, I think the rest really fit up. Now we can still go ahead and change their font from here, what and else. Okay, you can change everything from here, their font timeline. Okay, and everything is very okay. We can go ahead to change each of them from here. We keep them timeline. Okay, something of the kind. So we go tapping at each title field. Okay, as you change them, and okay, something of the kind. Yes, and lastly, we also try to sort out the location. We are dealing with the report. Okay, very good. Now from here we look at the design. Coming back here, we have looked at the title. Okay, we can still go ahead and include the date and time, the current date and time. We shall click at this. We include the format that we would love to display. Okay, for example, we may take this. Okay, yes, and you can take this time. Okay, then I press OK, and indeed we shall have our date aligned at this level here. We can still add the logo. Okay, you can still add the logo if given to us. Okay, however, let's try to get one from our computer. We shall look at the desktop, and let's select one of these, and let's use this as our logo. Okay, yes, let's insert it around here at that level. I think it is cool. Yes, we can add the page numbers, we can add anything of our choice, although it can be added. And from here we definitely close up this. Okay, we come to view, and then we look at the report design view. Okay, yes, this is the design view from here, and then we have to view it up. So this is how it beautiful looks like. The date is here. Okay, the title is here, a report of fees defaulters, and their names is here. Okay, the age, the fees balance, the class, the parent, and then the location. So this is how, and we have the page number is also there, and each and everything. Yes, that's how we can create a simple report from the generated table here. Okay, this is what we have used to have this report here. Okay, that's how simple it can be. In the same way, still we can have that report made with very few fields once required. Okay, yes, for example, this has all the fields. However, we can have one more report, okay, with the less fields. Okay, like for example, we may have the name, the balance, the fees balance. Okay, and then we look at the location. Okay, we can have that. Okay, we can make that so first the tabular. Okay, and we say next, then we say this is report. Okay, this is report, maybe report 2. Okay, we modify it so that we may have a few changes. So first along, okay, we bring in this. This is our title here. Okay, trying to bring it around here. Okay, yes, this is fees defaulters report 2. Okay, this is what we have, and from here we try to balance up this location. Can try to balance up the location with the fees along with the name. Okay, try to push around the name, that level, and try to make this balanced up. Okay, yes, and from here you can try to change up this to timeline as well. Okay, we are making it so fast, and of course you can give this a color. Okay, you can give it that color, Looking at this as well, we give it the color, we look at the timeline. Okay, look at the timeline, and as well we give that. Okay, we give that, we'll go ahead and bold. Yes, continue to bold that, we align it. Okay, we try to align it as well, the same story is worked upon this side on the student name as well. Back to this. Okay, we give this a red background color, and we give it white, we bold it, we definitely center line it. Okay, and I think the size is okay and cool, something of the kind. However, let's not forget to align this, okay, to that level, the same level that we push up the location this side. Okay, something of the kind. However, we can just simply bold up this, leaving it in that format. We can set a line as well. Okay, we can set a line as well. Now, something of the kind. So after here, you can still go ahead. So this is what we have. Okay, yes, we can still go ahead and add a logo, any logo around. Okay, we can maybe take up this. Okay, any image. This is acting as our logo. We may add the date and time. Okay, we can now change up. Okay, we may move with this, maybe with this, and then we say, okay, this is our date and time here. With that, okay, a lot can be added. This is used for the title of which we have it. Okay, yes, in case you need to change up the title, you can move along with that, as simple as that. So let's try to view it and see what we have. So this is what we have. This is our report, okay, with 3 fields: the student name, the balance, and then the location. As simple as that. So that's how we create reports in MS Access. Thank you for viewing. We meet again in the next video.